everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing excellent. So today I brought you for a new topic which is spoken English. Why I choose spoken English? Can you guess why I choose this topic? The reason is Indian people struggling related to English. So that's why I choose in this topic. In a whole India, 80% struggling related to English. In a 20% people, they know how to speak English, they know how to communicate people. And if you want to also learn English, so please stick my video till the end because in this video related to spoken English. And if you are a new, so please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon when I will upload related to this kind of content, so you know, like you got a notification and then whenever you have free time, so you watch. So it's helpful for you. So what kind of method I used and you also used in my beginning time, so that times I don't know how to speak in a single sentence. The reason is I am a Hindi medium student and in my surround they don't want to speak English. So that's why. And you also want to speak English, so you follow these kind of methods. So what kind of methods we follow? Reading, writing and speaking and listening. So first I will encounter related to reading. Whenever we will go for reading practice, so that time we don't want to read book. That times we feel very hard. That times we feel laziness and drowsy. We want to sleep because there is no any funny, there is no any good to read. So that's why we feel very drowsy. And you really want to learn spoken English, so you have to read. Like you are interested related to moral story, you are related to motivational story and another thing, any kind of newspaper. So you have to read and then see changes. And sometimes what happens, now I am reading book. Now I am reading book and sometimes there is hard word. So what I will do? So that times you have a smartphone and then Google it. Like yes, this is the hard word. And I want to read and I want to know exact meaning. So you have phone and you can go and Google, and then sometimes what happen, it's hard to pronounce word also. So you divide part in a 3 part and then you know what is the exact meaning. So these kind of practice you every day do. So it's helpful for you. And what about writing? Now you already completed your story and what I will do again. You every day give at least 1 hour and 30 minutes. And now you completed your story and then you have diary, you jotted down your diary like now I complete my story and then I will go related to write that story. And then sometimes what happen, why I will tell like you have to jot your diary, the reason is sometimes what happen while we go for writing, so that times we don't know meaning and we don't know spelling. There is, we did lot of mistake, so that's why I will tell many times and then you write your diary that story. Now you finished your story and then you speak what is the exact meaning. You don't know, it's okay, again you will Google it and then record your session. Like now I am recording my session. Okay, so you have to record, like this I read one story and then I memorize my thought and then I will speak front of camera. And now you record like only 5 minutes. I'm not talking about 10 minutes and 17 minutes and 20 minutes because we are a beginner and we know what we are lacking. And now you sometimes what happen, we attempt many times and in my times sometimes what happen, I did lot of efforts when I will go recording related to solo video. I attempt many times, even one time what happened, I did 100 times. Can you believe it? Yes, it's true. आपको अगर आप एक विश्वास नहीं कर रहे हो तो आप हिंदी वीडियो, छोटा हिंदी वीडियो बना के देखो, एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड कितना हार्ड होता है उस चीज को रिकॉर्ड करना. सो डोंट अफ्रेड ऑफ recording. You have to record in a every day at least 10 minutes, 10 to 5 minutes. Sometimes what happen, beginning times we don't want to record our session but we want to speak English, so this is not possible. First you judge yourself and you record yourself. When you will judging yourself, so you have to know what you are lacking, and then you are comfortable recording and you speak. There is a number of people and sometimes what happen, we are living village and sometimes what happen, we are living in like village area and another like city, so there is no anyone speak English. So what we will do, so there is number of app you can go and speak every day, you speak. And then there is number of co-learner, you speak every day. First you tell your introduction and then second you tell your story. And sometimes what happen, they don't want to listen, it's okay, you have phone, you speak every day at least 10 minutes. And what about sometimes what happen, we are lacking related to words like vocabulary, so you every day watch related to vocabulary. You are a beginner, so don't watch advanced video, because when you will go advanced video, so that times there is number of question. This is big and big words, I don't want to listen. I want to listen, but sometimes how is it possible to use that word? This is not possible, yeah. So that's why I'm telling you, you are a beginner, so first you watch related to beginner video. Don't watch in a high level video. When you will go high level video, so that time it's too high, and that times you regret yourself and that times you are judging yourself. Like now I'm not unable to speak English. The reason is you want to high expectation. So don't high expectation. First you see yourself, I'm a beginner, I want to learn only single normal stories, I want to learn simple sentence, I want to learn simple story, that's it. This is my perspective. I don't want to learn big words. Why you want to learn big words? There is no any sense to learn big words. First you have to watch yourself like, yes, I'm a beginner, I want to improve my beginner level and then intermediate and then advanced. But in a Indian people, we want to first watch interior, so this is not good. First build your beginning and then you watch your level, like what you want to. Like suppose आपका घर बना ही नहीं है, अभी चालू ही हो रहा है, आप बोलोगे कि मैं इंटीरियर देखो, so this is not possible. First you focus your building and then you focus your interior. But in Indian people, they want to watch high level video, so how is it possible? So that time they regret, मेरे को तो नहीं आ रहा है, तो ऐसे नहीं होता है, उसके लिए ना धीरे करना पड़ता है. फिर उस टाइम अपने आप को जज करना चालू कर दे, तो मेरे को तो नहीं आ रहा है, मेरे से नहीं होगा. फिर दैट टाइम्स यू वांट टू नहीं भाई बस बहुत हो गया, अब मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं सीखना, मैं तो हिंदी में ही कंफर्टेबल हूँ। तो वैसे नहीं करने का, आपको इंग्लिश सीखना है तो उसके लिए फर्स्ट आप जो रहता है ना, फर्स्ट घर बनाने का जो तैयारी है उसको करो, एंड देन बिल्डिंग खड़ा करो, फिर उसके बाद इंटीरियर को देखो। फर्स्ट आपको ये सब नहीं देखना है, इंटीरियर को नहीं देखना है। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, ज्यादा से ज्यादा सब्सक्राइब करो, ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक करो। इतना मेहनत करती हूँ एक एक वीडियो बनाने के लिए, आप लोग के लिए। मैं आप लोग को एक बोलना चाहूंगी, जब भी हम सोलो वीडियो बनाते हैं, मैंने बहुत टाइम बोला हुआ है, आप कन्वर्सेशन वीडियो को जज करना और सोलो वीडियो को जज करना। जब सोलो वीडियो बनाओगे तो बहुत ज्यादा आपको अटेम्प्ट करना पड़ेगा। एंड कन्वर्सेशन, हाँ एक दूसरे से तो बात करो, दैट्स इट, एंड वीडियो को पुट करो। देयर इज नो एनी editing and all, but when it comes to solo video it's too hard। मैं आपको आप इंग्लिश में मत बोलो, हिंदी में ही नॉर्मल कोई सा भी स्टोरी पिक ले लो एंड बोलो, तब आपको पता चलेगा कि सोलो वीडियो में कितना दिक्कत होता है। इसलिए मैं बोलती हूँ कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करो, आप तो इंग्लिश सीखो और आपके साथ साथ अपने दोस्त यार, अपने फैमिली मेंबर, उन लोग को भी सिखाओ इंग्लिश, ताकि आपके साथ पार्टनर रहेंगे और आप इंग्लिश में बात करें। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय एंड टेक केयर।